Hi. Today I'm gonna tell you like how to create the DB instance in an app AWS. First, you have to click on the RDS, the database segment of the AWS. Like since I am using the free tier of the AWS, so it's important me to choose all the options which directly pointing to the free tier of the database instances. So how to create a database instances RDS dashboard. I am just clicking the instances to launch the DB instances from the AWS stack of free uses. Amazon Aurora is the MySQL compatible enterprise class database at 1 by 10th of the cost of commercial database. So I'm choosing MySQL and selecting MySQL Community Edition, where three options are there: Amazon Aurora, MySQL, and MySQL, which is intended for the dev and test environment, and it's recommended from the RDS free uses tier. So I'm just selecting the MySQL free tier uses from the RDS and then going to the next step. Hi. So DB Engine MySQL license mode is GPL. DB Engine is 5.6.23. DB instance classes. I am selecting DB-T2 micro, which is with 1 vCPU and 1 gigs of RAM, multi-asset environment. I'm selecting no because yes will enforce you to make the payment. Storage class, I'm selecting general purpose SSD. Allocated storage till 20 GB of the allocated storage comes under the feature of AWS. If you put the 21 GB, you'll be charging from the AWS side. Database identifier, like what database identifier you want to use. Like suppose I want to use WC admin master username. I am giving system with the password 11G ORACLE 11G. So this is the system password which I given. I'm going to the next step where I have to select more options for database for the free tier, and VPCs. I have selected the default VPT. Subnet group is default, publicly accessible yes, availability zone no preference. VPC security group is just create new security group or default. Okay. Database names, let's say I have chosen the database name as Win. Port is this, DB parameter group is this, and copies text snapshot, which I'm not recommending. Snapshot, enable encryption no, and backup. So 0 days backup means there is no backup. 7 days means every 7 days he will trigger AWS auto trigger the backup. Windows preference, backup preference no preference. Monitoring no. Auto minor version upgrade yes. If I'll keep the no, there's no difference. If I'll keep 7 and select window, I'll select no preference, so it's all right. I'm monitoring no. So I can launch DB instance now, which I have created from the free tier, and your DB instance is being created. Your instance may take a few minutes to launch. Connecting your DB instance, you will be unable to connect to your database instance unless you have previously authorized access on your chosen security group. Go to the security group page. You have to create a security group and you have to give access to this security group page, and this is the method to create the DB instance from the AWS account for the free tier. View your DB instances here, and you can see the instances, which is second one, which is still creating, and this is created by you. Thank you very much. This is Saurav. Have a nice day.